Good morning, good afternoon, my people. Good evening, depend on the time wey you dey watch me and we on a day. How on a day, how on a family. Happy weekend. I want to thank una for the video wey I do last week. Many people put comment and they say the truth. So our sister don pick for his side. He say make I thank una very much. So una do well, may God bless una. You know, so everybody for this life na learn we dey learn. So may God bless all of una. But another topic come carry me come today. This one na one of my girlfriends wey dey uptown. So February, he tell me say him husband dey go Nigeria. So he wan go prepare for their traditional marriage while he don already born 2 girls for this man. So na Bini. So the boy na first go. So he can't go March, yes. March na she can't go meet the man before this lockdown can happen. So he said when he reach Nigeria, the man come tell am say okay, make him no worry, make he dey with him people. Say him dey arrange things for the traditional marriage. He say him go see call this man. How far? How you don waka reach for this traditional marriage something? E don dey 1 month don pass now. How? Now be say we wan do am big. Just do the traditional marriage. He say the man go say him dey plan, him dey do everything. Now the girl cause okay, me wan come stay with your people. They make you dey plan the traditional marriage. He said the man no fit gree, but at a time the man come say okay, problem no dey, make he come. And this girl say him don work when him take dey Europe. Him come na the people wey come 2004. Say him don work, then he get account wey him open for am wey they no dey touch. Say him open that account highest 10-15 years. Him just they no dey fit withdraw the money. Him just dey put money for there. Him come tell them so until him come back, him go change the account and everything. So him come dey put save small money for that account, whether it's in a deposit account, something like that. So this man now, when him dey Europe here, when him with the man come take no, when no come take, she no come dey too dey work like that again. Work no come dey and children don come dey. Then him go dey tell this man say make they open, that is joint account. Him with the man make they open joint account. Say the man go tell am say no, joint account, no, you no fit open joint account. Which work him dey work wey him want to open joint account? Him come dey laugh. Him come tell this man say if we do our traditional marriage, make we open joint account, make we too dey operate one account. The man come say no. So when he reach Nigeria, he see dey tell the man still dey say no. So she can't go now, can't go change her account wey that deposit account. I don't know whether they call am well. That account wey be say you put money, you no go touch for how many years. Was say open that account, that was 2006 stroke this 2020. Wey money they never touch am, and he see they put with the benefits wey they come for inside. This everything just dey there. So he can't go change am. When he change am, come open another account. He come carry the own money wey dey there. Say the money don big. Say the money don big. It don born pikin. That is, he say no expect. Say he go even fit get that kind of money for account. Say the money don big. So alert come enter this our sister phone. He no know wetin him husband dey operate. He can't go see the alert wey enter our sister phone, see the kind money wey dey there. Now this man now come dey tell our sister now say make they open this joint that is joint account. Make two of they open the joint account. Now our sister say which time you come take gree? But him tell you say if we go open the joint account, we go first do marriage. After our traditional marriage, we do court marriage, then he go open this joint account. The man say make you know what him dey plan everything, but this one wey lockdown come dey, they no fit do anything. And they know him wan open account for himself, but him be one make they do am together. This our sister, as he get sense, we can't give this man 500,000 naira. Come say okay, make they go open this joint account. Now this woman now with this man come go there. The man come say him go open the joint account, but next of kin go be him brother. Now the woman say, you no fit put your brother for the next of kin, wey will be say we get 2 daughters. When you put our daughter, or you put me for the next of kin. The woman say no, say na the brother go dey next of kin, say the children are girls. So we say boy dey inside, him for put the son. Now the woman say, but na me and your money now, make me be the next of king. He said no, say na him brother go dey. The woman come say okay, he no dey do again, make the man give am the money. When the man see the way our sister come dey behave, say he no wan open the account, now the man come say okay, no problem, make they do am like that. This man, our sister and him brother come go bank, and our sister now no be everybody go school. He no know he the one way, if they even give her paper, he no know wetin e be. So this our brother now come bring form, say okay, make he sign. Since he dey outside with the children, make he sign, make him go do wetin he wan do for his side. Our sister come sign form, come do everything. This man come carry paper go his side, come use that 500,000 open account, no be joint account. This man now come open account. The next of king na him brother, na him come get this account. So he come tell the woman say they don open account, so say they don do am, say na this, say the woman anytime wey they wan put money or they wan withdraw money, the woman go must dey aware, and him sef go dey aware. Our sister come dey happy. Small time he come say okay, make the woman, if he get any money, make he bring come, make they just go put am. Now our sister say, where the money dey? Say he see alert for our sister phone. Now our sister say okay, I go only give you 1 million, join that 500 wey I don give you. Then the 8.5 wey remain, he no fit give you for now, because he want, after the traditional marriage, money wey remain, he wan do some things and everything. He say, the man come say no, make he bring the whole money come, make they just put am. And the woman say no, wait, na small, this one wey you just dey hurry me, make I bring the whole money, make I bring the whole money. I go carry just 10 million give you. More of do the, you say traditional marriage, I don't give you, we don't open am. More of do the traditional marriage, then I go give you the whole money. After our traditional marriage, our court marriage, I go give you the whole money. You don't become my husband. This man say he no go gree. Say our sister go give am the whole money. Now our sister can't give am 1.5 million naira. 1.5, because you don't fit give her 500,000. The money can dey remain 9.5. So he say he can give her 1.5. He can leave the remaining 8. No give her. That is 2 million. Now he don't give this to our brother now. So he say he can dey wonder why boy now no say the girl no go school. He can drop the paper for one place. Now our sister now can carry this paper and I can snap am. The whole document wey dey take open account, can snap am, can send am to her younger sister. Her younger sister can't read the paper. He say make he help her explain wetin, whether na this joint account this man do. Her younger sister say this one no be joint account, this one na personal account, and the next of king na your oga brother, na be next of king. You know, make you know, he can't say he no believe his sister, because his sister feel no one tell am the truth because of he want join a husband. Maybe his sister dey vex. He can't send am go give one of their elder for their church. That one still tell am the same thing. Then he can't get one of the boys' sister, wey be say they be best friend. You know, him with that one they talk, he see they send money for that one. You know, for family you must get person wey be say you go, they give you any, they tell you any latest way they the family before anything happen, go just tell you, because you with her don become one and he don't like you. You can't go send and give that. The sister, the husband sister say this one not be joint account, this one a personal account. Say now, you know, she say now the way in senior be next of king. He say he hold hand for it, oh, so for you carry all my money give this man. This man go just open account after him brother. Me now I no be anything. He say I never born boy for her. The girl no talk. The girl, the man still dey tell am bring the money, make they put, bring the money, make they put, bring the money. The girl still dey let her know say mo fit do marriage. Now I call this sister say the marriage where your brother dey plan since then, the marriage you know dey get it. Now the sister tell am say my brother never talk about marriage. He never tell us say he wan do any marriage, but he surprised the way the so now this our sister come still dey tell am say our brother never tell us anything pertaining marriage, say he wan marry you. Me I dey surprise I dey hear am for your mouth. Make I ask our mama whether our mama know something, because me I no know. Now I come ask him mama. Him mama say lie, the boy no talk about marriage. The boy no dey plan marriage. The document of house where this girl don build, 2 houses where this girl get, you wan carry give this man. The man say make he change am to, you know, Mr. and Mrs. So na 2 of them go come get the house. For him go leave the family house for him mother and the younger one, since they no get papa, make he just leave that one. Then everything make it, the girl come change everything to him own name. Our sister say una no know about marriage. They say they don't know. Him mama say no fit deceive am. You know, my son no tell me anything pertaining marriage. Now the girl say, eh? So na loss I be just one loss. The girl no talk. The girl come dey house, come dey cry. The man come enter and say wetin happen. Now the girl say okay. You say we wan do marriage, you don dey plan. Okay, cloth I never buy. Shoe I never buy. Not you wan know about this marriage. You wan know something. Okay, mo first go do introduction. Make your people first go see my people. Tell them when una dey come, so that my people go see they prepare, they wait. The boy say COVID-19 dey, make you wait, make you hold on. Now our sister don pack it things, he don go in mama side. They say no, they marry again. Because the boy now be one just dupe our sister, collect everything where this girl don work before he know am. People wey dey 5 years. Now 5 years now they dey together. You want just collect everything where you don't know how this girl dey suffer. After they go say single mothers. If this girl from Nigeria come back now, this girl give you document for Europe. This girl they support you. If they do everything where you answer because of love. He don't born 2 children for you. Say na girls. Say I will say na boy. For boy and girl, no pikin, no be pikin. And I just newly start marriage. Only 2 children. You don't dey complain. You want carry my sweat now, go give your younger brother. I no get right to my own things again. And the girl say no. He say him dey tell me as a friend, say no go fit me. As him tell me finish, now answer now. Say where you dey? Say dey mama house. He no wan marry again. Say they wait make COVID-19 finish, make him come back to Europe. And as him dey come, make the boy, as the boy see they come back, make he put head back for where for they come, because he no need the marriage again. He say now when he say no need marriage, people go say na greediness or whatever. I beg my fellow people, my loving friends, I beg, wetin una wan make this our sister do? He go continue to dey stay with this man, make he give the man this money, abi make no give this man this money, make he just end up this marriage. Me, I never give am any advice. I tell am say if I do my video, I go send am confirm, make, because she access dey watch my video. I tell am say I go do this video, I no go mention name, then she go watch am. She go see the comments where they go leave for them, make she take her own decision. Because me, I never did that kind of situation, and I no pray to do it, because me myself I don't know what I go do. I no pray to do that kind of situation. My friends, I beg, my lovely ones, more will help this our sister, because money where they talk about no be small money. You understand? You'll be like when you just gather money, just they put out for there, you don't even care about that money. Yet you see they take care of your family. You don't build the house. Now 3 houses you get, 1 a family house with 2 where they with, and the man want collect everything. Just tell me now, if this man collect this thing now, you sure say go marry our sister? You sure say this man no get another babe for this Europe? Or you no get another girl where you want marry for Nigeria, where you take on say, you know if you put the woman as next of king, and you know if you put the children and your own brother you want go put. Marriage you no plan. You just go dey deceive this our sister because you don see say who you go fit beat na im dey find in trouble. Our sister no go school, e no know A, e no know B. Abeg my people, more we reason am o. My friend dey tell me now say he no want the marriage again. He say but im family say since pikin don dey. Now I say dem no dey because of pikin go suffer die. As pikin don dey, if for my own o, make e kukuma leave one for im people, leave one for the boy people. Make e come back to Europe, come dey hustle for im life. If she still dey young, she go still see man wey go better man wey go marry am. This time around, she need to wise, settle down, look man wey go say he wan settle down with. Because this our brother own I no support make him marry. Because this boy just come to rake am. He just come to rake this our sister. And I believe say if this our sister give this man everything, this man go frustrate this our sister. Abeg my beautiful people, my lovely ones, abeg, we need advice. Abeg, wanna keep on a comment below. Abeg subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that una go see know anytime I bring video. I use God beg una. I love una so much. Thank you for the one they do. Thank you for those where they watch. Thank you for those where they comment. Abeg wanna see share so that people go see put their own opinion. I use God beg una. I love una so much. And thank you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. Keep your comment below. I beg una. Thank you so much. So that be the matter. That be the cocoa. More we see how it go now, because COVID-19 still hold them for Nigeria. They never come back to Europe. So more see how this they be. Next week I go bring one topic, because I do my video now once in a week. Next week I will bring one topic about one of our sister wey dey in Germany. So we'll talk about that one next week, by God grace. So me with her see they talk. She never give me permission to bring am come out, but let's watch and see how it goes. Love you. Bye bye. See you.